What's up, y'all? It's the Hippie Krissy, and in this video I'll be doing my brows. I thought this would be a cute video to show y'all how I do my colored brows. Normally my main brows that I do all the time is my blue brows. If you know, you know. If you subscribe to the channel, you know. Okay, if you a part of the hippie gang, you know. So this is gonna be a different type of video. Now I'm going to be doing purple brows, so that's what I'm doing. Let me go grab my mirror. Seems like yesterday you came round my way. Vibrations intense, I don't know what to say. Okay, universe ain't playing no game. My little moo-moo, stop playing. Okay,
really,
so,
nigga?
We gonna zoom on in. Alright, so I need to moisturize my face, but we gonna do that later because I need a dry face. Okay, we're gonna use this little, and don't mind the end of it, but the spoolie's still good. So we just gonna comb out the brows. So that's what I'm doing, combing out the brows first. Alright, so I normally use my Urban Decay primer. It's this one. I've had it for a minute, and I just take a little bit. This is just to give the color that I'm about to put on my brows something to stick to. So I'm just taking a little bit of that and putting it on there, just like that. And now I'm gonna rub it in. So I'm just using my finger to rub it in like that. So then now I'm going to set it. I have some translucent powder right here from Von Z. It's a little sample size I got. I got it from Sephora. It's a little sample size. And I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take that and I'm going to set what I just did. So I'm just putting the powder on there and I'm setting it. Boom. Boom. Batter down. Bat. Okay. After we set it, we're going to take the color now. Now it's going to get fun. It's going to get fun. This is a dark brown pencil. And this is how it looks. A dark brown pencil. Boom. Alright, so I'm going to take that and I'm going to outline my brow. So that's what I'm doing. So we just outlining the natural shape. I need to get my brows waxed, but we outlining the natural shape. So that's what I'm gonna do to both sides, is just outline the natural shape like that, like that. Boom. And then we're gonna do that to the other side. And y'all let me know if y'all like these talk through videos like this, because I'm just tired of YouTube in a sense of just copyright. Everything they want to say is copyright, and ain't nobody got time for that. And I hope y'all don't hear the background, because my daddy watching these African movies and he just
really,
be
nigga?
into it, you know what I'm saying? So I hope y'all don't hear that. Y'all probably hear it, because I could hear it. But whatever is whatever. I'm leaving it halfway because we're gonna add that color. Okay, y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. So now you're gonna take the spoolie again and you're just gonna go ahead and blend. So I'm just blending out the color like that, you see? And we're gonna do the same to the other side. Blend. Blending it with the spoolie is going to be your best friend, because you just want it to be evenly coated. All the little parts of the brow to be evenly coated. I've been doing my brows for years, so it's pretty easy for me to do them. And I do them pretty quick, but I always get questions about my brows. I'm going to just go ahead and do it so that, you know, while I'm doing these fun brows, I can show y'all how I get down, how I get creative. You know what I'm saying? So that's that on that. Now we're gonna do the purples. So I think what I'm going to do is, I got this ZULU palette. I got the ZULU palette from Juvia's Place. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use that purple shade, this shade right here. So we're gonna take that purple on that brush like this. Take it on that brush, and then we're going to define. See, so we're taking that purple and we just, what I do is I'll just tap it in. I'll just tap it in and build it up as I go. Tap, 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 tap in, you know, and build it up as I go. Just tap, tap, tap in, and that's what we're doing. We're just building it. Just building it. See, like that. We're just building it like that. And if I'm looking down, y'all, I'm looking at my mirror. So, yeah. But that's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm just building the color as I'm applying it. Just building, building, until I get the color payoff that I want. Until I get what I want. You know what I'm saying? Until I got it looking like how I want it to look. Until it look good. It look good. Y'all have to make sure say your brows them flaky. I can't have it looking dumb. And you gotta blend. You gotta take the time to blend out whatever color you're putting on your brows. If you're gonna do color brows, it has to blend, because it just don't look good when it's not blended. You know what I'm saying? So I'm pretty satisfied with the color payoff so far. I don't want it to be too purple, so I'm just building, and I like how it's looking. So boom. So now I'm going to take some concealer. My concealer almost done. I gotta go buy some more, but we gonna use what we got. We gonna use all product, okay? Cost effectively using all my product. You get what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be using this little flat, this little it's like a flat brush. I'm gonna be using that, and I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal. It's almost done, so we don't got to show too much. So I'm gonna squeeze what I can up out of there, because guess what, we gonna use all of this. All right, so I'm gonna take some of this and we're going to conceal. And it's really that simple. You take whatever color you want, and it's definitely eyeshadow, but you just have to make sure that you're priming. You know, you priming your brows with some type of color that, you know, some type of base that's gonna make your color stick. Whatever color you choose, whether it's purple, green, blue, whatever color you choose, then you could you know, you could have a, you know, you could have some bomb color brows. And you know, and I'm just defining it at this point. So now I'm just lining my brows how I want them. Lining them how I want them. Okay, so now I am going to take my Sonia Kashuk brush, and it's just a, like, it's kind of like a blending, buffering brush. It's real dense. So I'm going to take this brush, and we're going to just boom, boom, boom. We're going to just get it in there. We just blend it out. Yeah, these brows came out pretty. Pretty, pretty. I like it. And then we're going to just go down the middle to blend it out like that. Down the middle like that. That's pretty much it, guys. And if I want to go back in that with that purple flat brush to just define it, like add some of the color black, add some of the color back that was lost, I just do that. Boom. Boom. Pretty. So yep, that's that on that. And yeah.